Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor on Roblox. Very easy. You're going to be able to do money hacks, speed hacks, scripts, all types of things, aimbot, everything. See right there. If you need any help with this tutorial, let me know, but just follow step by step and it's super easy.
Alright, once you're on this page, just go to that website right there. You're going to see it, bird.ai. And once you're here, you're going to select the mods and APK. That's all you have to do. You're going to browse the library. You can go ahead and search for it if you don't see it at the top, but you're going to find Delta Executor. And once you're here, you're going to tap Get App. Make sure you do this from a mobile device. It does not work on desktop, but on a mobile device, you can see all the stats and information there. You click Download. And once you're here, it's going to tell you, hey, go on a mobile device. So I'm clearly showing you on desktop, so now I'm going to hop over on mobile. And once we're here, you're going to see this download page. You click download and you tap verify you're human. This is a simple human verification test because a lot of people want to use this app and they don't want to clog up the servers. So verify you're human, it's super easy. All you have to do is complete 2 of the offers on this page. And once you're done, you're going to be able to get the app. You can see in the background, I'm actually using it. And at the end of the video, I'll show you more proof of it working. But what you want to do is tap download app. And it's going to go to another page and give you step-by-step information on how it works. So right here, you can see it says search for casino. We're going to type in casino, and we're going to download the first offer, which is Modo in this case. I'm going to speed up the video, downloading, and once you have it downloaded, you open it as the steps say. You open it for 30 seconds, and you're going to see me open it right now. And they're free apps. They're not going to charge you anything. So just make sure you follow every step-by-step offer. And after completing 2 offers, you're going to be able to get Delta Executor. As you can see, it's on my phone. And here's more proof of it being live. And there's the console. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and comment below. And good luck.